Hello everyone, welcome to my channel 12 calls. My name is Ankit and today we have a question on PNB. Will you bet on PNB with a long term view? But we'll look into that. But before that, my standard disclaimer. This is only educational video. Always check with your financial advisor before doing any equity investment, as always subjected to risk. A word about me. So we're going to start PNB with the financial first, okay, rather than technicals. As we all know that PNB have gone through a big financial crisis 4 or 5 years before, and they lost almost 12 to 15,000 crore during that time. So we'll start slowly analyzing the financial parameter and see the financial health of the company before we start generating any buy or sell calls. Okay, so here we can see this is last 5 years of revenue, which started steadily going up. So 48,000 to 76,000. Okay, there's a small dip. Okay, yeah. Next we'll see net profit. So at one point of time the net profit came down by 12,000 crore, minus 12,000 crore, and now it's came to 3,600 crore. Here we can see it's continuously increasing. EPS, again we can see the EPS, current EPS is 3.53. If share price is around 44 rupees, can somebody calculate the PE level? Okay, so 44 by 3.53, the PE comes out to be 12 rupees, which is around industry PE. ROE, you can see the ROE is increasing. Okay, NIMs also doing okay. So if somebody want to go through all the PNB reports, he can find here on pnbindia.in annual report.html. So that's where you can go and search all the report about PNB. Well, let's come to the technical chart. So this is Ichimoku, around 6 months of data, daily chart, and what we'll look here MACD. This point, if you see, this blue line started touching this red line, pink line, and started again moving up. So that was this movement. Okay, here we can see this previously share used to go till 44-45 rupees and then used to come down. We'll see in the next chart, but this time we can see that it's little different. It came down till 35-36 rupees and it started again moving up. So here we can see a positive divergence that is being formed. So as long as share stays around 44 rupees, it's positive. Okay, the 44-43 rupees range, that is positive for the share. So yeah, this we talked about. At time the share used to be even 200-220 rupees. From that's just coming down, and this is a long consolidation range. Okay, so you see this is almost 3 years of consolidation, and I'm not saying here that this consolidation will end tomorrow or in this month or in this year. It may be possible the share may consolidate here for next 12 to 15 months also, or even more also, because once share is in the consolidation, it may consolidate for even 7 years. Okay, so before we go further, we'll see what is the next resistance coming. Okay, so here we can see when the share was coming down, it took support here, again it took support here, so which is around 60 rupees. So 60 rupees should be acting as a strong resistance. Also, if you just look into Ichimoku, that is this is our next resistance, which is coming around this 80 rupees. Okay, so this is our next resistance. Okay, so what I would suggest is here is if the let's look little further. Yeah, so next major resistance comes out to be 80 rupees. So if share started moving above 60, then it may go till 75. But before we conclude that, we'll look into some of the mutual fund action. Okay, so here we can see the mutual fund was owning 29 crore share in June. Okay, and then it's moving from 29 crore to 40 crore. If you see, this is around 10-11 crore of increase in 3 months, and we still not have October data. This is only September we are talking, so there might be some action by October, and we are in halfway in November also. Okay, so there might be some action that we have to see, but from this point to this point we can see around 11 crore shares are bought, which is around 400 plus crore of worth money has been kept. If you look little detail, owned by almost 80 schemes, some of the scheme even holding 12% of the money, some new entry also happening. So yeah, at this point we can conclude in the PNB, if it comes a little on, if it makes a dip, as we saw that it can dip, So if it makes a dip around 40 rupees, 38 is a very good price, then we should expect a price target of up to 60 rupees. Okay, so I'm not expecting this price target is coming tomorrow or within 1 month. One can hold peacefully with a view of 12 to 24 month, about 2 year off, and then one can expect this for 50% upside in 12 to 24 months. So yeah, that's all for today guys. Please do subscribe to my channel. Jai in Vande Mataram.